Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find help and different info about the June's Journey application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my game, my house, and you can find different buttons in the home screen, for example the shop, your profile and others. But if you want to find a different help about the game, go to the upper right corner of the screen, click to the second icon, the settings, and you can find different sections, the social, basic, notifications and others. Go to the first, the basic, and you can find the second line, the help. If you want to find any help, click that button, and in this site you can find different questions and info about the game. Just click that and you can read the text and the answers. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.